Hello everyone, welcome to DCC YouTube channel, and now we are going to discuss this second problem of today's weekly contest, that is minimum moves to capture the queen. So let's look into the problem statement. There are one indexed 8x8 chessboard containing 3 pieces, and you are given 6 integers a, b, c, d and e, f. So where ab denotes the position of white rook, and cd denotes the position of white bishop, and ef denotes the position of black queen. And you can only move the white pieces, and we need to return the minimum number of moves required to capture the black queen. So you have two options, that is you can either move the white rook or the white bishop, and in minimum number of moves you need to reach the queen. Okay, and it is also given that rooks can move any number of squares either vertically or horizontally, but cannot jump over other pieces. So for example, like if the rook is going to the queen, and if any pieces are in the middle of that path, then we should not take that path. And the bishops can also move any number of squares diagonally, but bishops also cannot jump over other pieces. So let's look into the example. So this is the example. This is a white rook and this is a bishop, and we need to capture the queen. Okay, so the minimum number of moves in any of the case might be 3, because the rook can go to the column of the queen that is present, and can in another move it can reach it. So in any of the problem, or in any of the case, the minimum number of moves would be 2. So but if for example, if rook is present here, then in just one move it can go to the queen. Okay, this is one of the case. And if for example, if bishop is present here, then it can directly go to queen in just one move. So the answer of this of any case is either 1 or is either 2. So we have to calculate if it is 1 or 2. Okay, so in my code I've just implemented the solution, that is the rook can move the rook have 4 options. It can move either right, or it can move either down or left or up. Similarly, the bishop can move to the left diagonal, right diagonal, bottom diagonal, and in this way the rook and bishop have 4 options. So let's look into the code of the solution. Yeah, so in the first part of the code, I have checked whether we can reach the queen in one move by the help of rook. That is, it can move towards right, it can move towards left, it can move towards up, or it can move towards down. This is what the 4 cases I have took, and we have also made this loop for checking whether it could reach the queen. And we should also make sure that we write this condition, because for example, like if we are going from rook to queen, and we should also make sure that in the path which we are going to queen, there is no bishop. So for example, if bishop is here, then the answer would not be 1, because the bishop should not come in the path of the queen. So that is why I have written this condition, that is, while moving from rook to queen, we should not make sure that we encounter a bishop. And similarly, while traversing through bishop, we have made 4 ways, that is 4 diagonals, and we should again make sure that while traversing we do not encounter a rook. And that's it. And if in any of these both paths, we were able to reach queen, then we return 1. Otherwise, greedily we would choose the answer 2. So for any of the cases, the answer would be just 1 or 2, and that's it. So thank you.